Manila. On July 25, 2025, the Supreme Court of the Philippines issued a unanimous ruling that blocks the impeachment trial against Vice President Sara Duterte, citing its violation of the constitutional one-year ban on multiple impeachment complaints within the same year. This decision was delivered just before the Senate was scheduled to convene the impeachment tribunal. Key findings of the court. The court ruled that Duterte's impeachment complaint, the fourth filed in under a year, violated constitutional safeguards, as the earlier three complaints had already been introduced and archived, thus invalidating the fourth. Consequently, the Senate lacked the authority to proceed with an impeachment trial due to the nullification of the complaint. The court clarified that its ruling did not absolve Duterte of the allegations. It merely halted the formal process on procedural grounds. The prohibition on new impeachment filings applies until February 6, 2026, in line with the one-year bar rule. Reactions from stakeholders. Vice President Duterte's legal team welcomed the decision, emphasizing that it reaffirms the rule of law and precludes procedural abuse of impeachment as a tool of political harassment. Critics were harsh in their assessment. The Akbayan Party called the ruling a stain on the judiciary, arguing that the one-year rule was being misused to shield Duterte from accountability. Former Senator Leila de Lima, who is due to serve as a House prosecutor, described the verdict as procedurally questionable and emphasized the need for public clarity over shortcuts. Analysts, including Michael Henry Uzinco of 8 Neo de Manila University, regarded the decision as a political win for Duterte and predicted intensified political maneuvers ahead of the 2028 presidential election. What's next? Technical legal options remain open. The impeachment case could be refiled only after February 6, 2026. The lower house of representatives reaffirmed its commitment to accountability, suggesting further legal remedies may be pursued once the ban expires. Meanwhile, political momentum continues to build. The impeachment saga has split the once powerful Duterte-Marcos alliance. With her political profile rising and facing legal peril, Vice President Duterte prepares a potential presidential run in 2028, unless barred by final conviction. Decision date July 25, 2025. Reason for ruling violation of one-year ban due to multiple impeachment complaints filed in less than a year. Outcome: impeachment cannot proceed. New filings barred until February 6, 2026. Allegations: misuse of public funds. Threat to kill high-ranking officials. Reactions: defense laud's rule of law decision. Critics condemn perceived judicial shielding. Next steps: potential refiling post-February 2026. Continued political rivalry toward 2028.